Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a little walk around / review on this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This one is a 4xe and it also is the Earl exterior clear coat. This one's a pretty special Rubicon. So this one was actually previously owned by I guess Mopar or Jeep's corporate office over in Michigan, and we got our hands on it. This thing only has about 1,800 miles on it currently. But the best part of it is this thing is, decked out, has every Mopar accessory that you could possibly add on it. And it even has, some parts that aren't even in production yet. They kind of use this as a guinea pig. But this was also, used as their, I guess, car show vehicle. So they would take this out to, auto events and kind of show it off. But yeah, 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 4xe. We'll kind of walk around. I'll show you some of the unique parts that are on it. Starting up here in the front, we got the front steel bumper with the worn winch. You're also going to get the LED lighting, the dual vented hood. As you can see, you got your 4xe decal up on the hood as well. This is pretty special. So these are Mopar Highline fenders. They have not even been, put in production yet. Kind of testing things out, so you can kind of get a look at these new Highline fenders. They are steel. I'll say they're like a matte steel. We also got these Mopar beadlock capable wheels. We're sitting on some 35-inch BFG tires. This thing also has Bilstein or Mopar shocks with the shock reservoir. We also got the Mopar, I guess, side steps or rock rails. Kind of a unique design, plain and simple, but I honestly haven't seen, this setup on a Wrangler before. Kind of walk around, I'll show you the rear fender. I like these a lot. I think the black, steel fenders and bumpers really ties in well with the Earl Clearcoat. Here's your interior. So kind of standard with the 4xe, you get the blue stitching. Got this really unique design printed out on the cloth seats. Cold weather package. It's your touchscreen display. You also get the Sky One Touch power top. It's a really, really nice addition, especially with the summer months coming ahead of us. Got the LED taillights, tow package. Your fifth wheel. Get up close on that. Got your reinforced tire carrier, support up that 35-inch tire. So I'll open up the tailgate. This thing also has the Alpine premium sound system. So you got your, I can't ever get it right. It's either 8 or a 10-inch subwoofer in the rear. Like I said, only 1,800 miles. Super, super low mileage for a 2024 model. And here's another really awesome addition. Got the Mopar Snorkel kit. Now, it's a lot different than what we're used to seeing. We usually see the AEV Snorkel kit. And I'm just kind of, as I'm the mechanical side of me, is kind of looking around and seeing what's different on how they mount this thing. Looks like they took these two bolts out. They're kind of holding down this, I guess, shroud. Bolted it there. And this is kind of similar to the AEV. Got it kind of mounted up in the front. I don't know if that's the A-arm. I mean, really, really cool. So, of course, you got the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo hybrid motor. We also have another one. It's not as spec'd out, but same color, 4xe, 2024 model. It also has very low miles, but this one is, I would definitely say, a lot more unique. Has a lot of parts that just aren't available yet to us as consumers. But other than that, be sure to like and subscribe, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the, I guess, 4xe Mopar built, show car. So other than that, check out our website. It's going to be crossjeep.com. We got a ton of new and used inventory in currently. I'm sure there's plenty of stuff you'd be able to find, or I mean, even if you're just taking a look to see what all kind of, cool stuff we got in stock, by all means. But other than that, y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.